In this video, we'll be looking at section 3.5, Arithmetic Sequences. Our essential question is, how do I find any given number if I can see a pattern? So an arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers that follow a pattern. That pattern is either always adding the same number, or always subtracting the same number. This number is known as the common difference. So the arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers that follow a pattern. That pattern is either always adding the same number, or always subtracting the same number. This number, the one that we're always adding or subtracting, is known as the common difference. So let's look at our formula. Arithmetic sequence formula. And the formula is written like this. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times our common difference, d. So a sub n is the value we're looking for. So it's supposed to be a sub 1. So a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. It's times right there. So a sub n is the value we're looking for. A sub 1 is the first term in our sequence. The N stands for which term I'm looking for. And D stands for the common difference. We'll also refer to this A sub n as the nth term. Let's do an example. Say we have this sequence. We're going to know we're plugging in all information into this formula. A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times our common difference. So say I'm given this sequence, 5, 2, negative 1, negative 4. And the question is, find the 57th term. Well, A sub n is what I'm looking for. So that's our question mark. A sub 1 is my first term in my list. So that's 5. N is this 57 right here. This is the nth term, or the term we're interested in, or which term we are looking for. So I'm looking for the 57th. So that's my n. So n is 57. And then my common difference is how is my list changing, the pattern. So I'm going 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we're subtracting 3. So my pattern is I'm subtracting 3 over and over. So my common difference is minus 3. Now we just plug everything in and we'll solve. So A sub n is my question mark, so I'll just write that, equals A sub 1, I'm just plugging into this formula right up here, 5 plus parentheses, and then I'm going to do 57 minus 1, n minus 1, so 57 minus 1, then I'm going to multiply that by negative 3, like so. And now we use our order of operations, and we'll get A sub n equals 5 plus 57 minus 1 is 56 times negative 3. 56 times negative 3 will be negative 168. Let me double check with my calculator. It's negative 168. So I have A sub n equals 5 plus negative 168. And then we add these together, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of what I have more of, so I'll have negative 163. So what we can say is the 57th term in this sequence is negative 163. So thank you very much for watching this video on arithmetic sequences. I hope you have a great rest of your day.